as you can see by the magic of TV, they have magically, all 10 of the chicken pieces have the skin removed. Next, you want to mix in.
No.
You want to pour in the.
Wash your hands.
Okay. You want to pour in the pepper, the basil. What is it? This?
Oregano.
Okay. As I've been directed by my director, I got it wrong. It's oregano. I used private selection oregano. And you want to pour in enough that it will cover all the chicken pieces. I don't know what I'm doing. What is it? Then you want to pour in pepper.
Careful.
A whole lot.
That's too much.
That's why I was going to do this one. Yeah. Next is basil. Sweet basil. The director is pouring out my pepper because I have put in too much. She continues to pour it out. Okay, she says that's enough pouring out of the pepper. Next, you want to pour in sweet basil. Are you going to tell me when? Okay, she says that's enough. Okay, next you put in your bay leaves. You put in you put in Heinz apple cider vinegar. If it can open. You want to pour in enough. That it will cover the chicken pieces. She says that's enough. Next, you want water. Okay, I'll bring the faucet over. You have to make sure the water is cold. And the water will help cover the chicken. Next is soy sauce.
Rub it into the chicken.
I was going to do that last.
No, that was before the water and the thing.
Okay, well, after you mix it in, next you put in the soy sauce. Any more? Okay, we need. Okay, next you wash your hands with soap and water. And then after that, you mix in the soy sauce with the vinegar and water.
You need to put in the soy sauce.
I I just did put in.
I know, that's just it.
Okay. The color of the
I
chicken
gotta go.
is
Okay.
going to be brownish black.